Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to convert a picture into a table in Microsoft Excel. Open an Excel document and dragging this, we can see this camera. At first, edit camera option, then right click mouse, more commands, all commands, and find the camera. Camera. We can see this screen clipping and screenshot, trick screenshot, then click here, then OK, and select the table, click screenshot, then click the anywhere. OK, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.